shift the weight forward, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog or cobra, and exhale it back to downward facing dog. Come up onto your tippy toes. We'll walk the feet up. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. And inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, release your hands into mountain pose. Keep your feet hips distance apart. Inhale, arms up. Bend the arms so the elbows are behind you here. Chest is open. Option to stay here or do that internal rotation of the arms as we bring the hands behind us and clasp them. Now, I want you to open through the chest, so like a standing back bend, almost like a standing locust pose here as we bring the knuckles a little closer to the ground. And also, if it feels good, you can bring your hands here to your sacrum. Now inhale, use the front body core muscles to stand back up and neutralize your spine. Now if you're using your blocks, have one block placed here on one side of the mat and the other one at the opposite end. And we'll continue on here. So feet together, arms reach up, bend your knees for our chair pose. Bring your hands into prayer, shift your weight to the right foot and hover your left foot. Just play with balancing here. We'll take a big